Okay, so I ordered this on eBay, I want to say maybe like 5 days ago. I'll put the information on the screen here, but it just came and I decided to do an unboxing. I did start pulling up the tape on this, but then I decided to grab the camera instead. So I'm gonna get started. So it's a pretty big box. Here is the actual light, and I see the stand. Okay, there's everything. Let me get that out of the way. So I ordered it on the 11th, and I got it today, which is the 18th. So I ordered it, oh wow, I lied to you guys. I ordered it a week ago, but that is 5 business days. So it was $64.50, I believe, and this is an 18-inch ring light with stand. So it came with this stand. I'm gonna pop this up. I also ordered my soft boxes from the same company, and this is actually a different, more sturdy stand than came with my soft boxes. So I'm happy about that. Ooh, okay. The light itself is in a nice little carrying case, and you can see the logo. You can see the logo right there. Okay, now let's pull it out. This is exciting. Okay. And so now, and voila. So sorry about the noise. Okay, so in with this, the bulb itself, let me see if I can make sure I'm in the frame here. I'm just trying to get all that other crap out of it. Okay, so the bulb itself has little foam pieces on it, which are protecting it. So it came with an extra fuse, the actual light diffuser, diffuser. I feel like I'm saying that wrong, but you guys know what I mean. Okay, and it's made to go over that. I'm trying to get to okay, put that on later, and the cord. So I'm gonna put this all together, and then we're gonna get it plugged in, and then that way you all can see what's going on. Oh, that makes so much more sense. So me putting this on is completely user error. And so this just gets Velcroed on. If I wasn't so special, I could probably do it. Okay, cool. So, like I said, if I was so special, it's probably so difficult. But yeah, I have that on. And then this is my leg. Okay. It has a dimmer here, which is a good location for it. So while I'm working, I can actually just reach the dimmer. The off and on switch is right here in the back. And the fuse goes in here. So let me just make sure. Yes, that is definitely a spare fuse. And those fuses are fairly common, so you can get those almost anywhere. And I probably shouldn't have touched it because now I can't get it back in straight. Okay, there we go. And then right here is where the power goes in. So I'm gonna get this mounted to the stand, and then I am going to come back to you guys. So the light is on its lowest setting. Right now I have it all set up on its tripod. I am going to move in and brighten it up, and we're going to see what we get. Cool. So. And this is just, and that's as bright as it gets. I'm going to turn off my other lights, and I'm going to turn it back down so we can see how bright it is. So that's the brightest setting, and it is the only light that is on right now. So. Okay, so now I'm going to turn it down. And that is the lowest setting. And once again, this is without any other lights on. And I'm gonna go ahead and mount the camera to it, and we're gonna see how that all looks as well. So, excuse my parents, but this is a demo of what it looks like with the camera behind the light, and I don't have any other lights on. The light is approximately, I want to say 3 feet in front of me, above me technically, because I'm laying on the floor. I'm really tired. I worked all day. But this gives you an idea of the light that it gives.